Hey there, we're going to tackle a challenge that many of us face. Food storage, right? We all want to save money by keeping our leftovers and keeping the leftovers fresh, but using plastic wraps can be really expensive, harmful, and bad for the environment. So there's a solution that I know I've been looking for. Norwex just came out with them. They're BPA-free silicone stretchy lids. They come in a set of 6. These stretchy lids revolutionize food storage for me. They fit snugly over smooth rimmed bowls, glasses, and containers by creating an airtight seal. Guys, when I say airtight, I mean airtight. Look at that. How crazy is that? The silicone lids are reusable, recyclable, and budget friendly. Here's why I love them. They're eco friendly. We all love eco friendly options, right? So that is reducing waste and excess spending on our part from the plastic wraps and aluminum foil. And honestly, those things never fully sealed for me. They're BPA free and they're safe for our family. You do get a set of 6 lids, various sizes. So this is the largest, and this is the second to the smallest, second to the last smallest. But what's even more cool about these is that these stretchy lids feature backlock in them. It means they have silver, which inhibits the growth of odor causing bacteria, so our food stays fresh and our containers stay odor free. These lids are made of 100% food safe silicone and can be used on any smooth rim surfaces that you have. So, any type of bowls or cups, whether it's storing leftovers or keeping your beverage fresh, they've got you covered. Plus, they're heat resistant, which is awesome. You can use them in the freezer and they're microwave safe. Now let's talk about how to use these little guys. So I'm going to turn my camera down. So the stretchy lids fit securely over smooth rimmed bowls, dishes, cups, and all the things. I hand wash mine. I either use the Biozyme dish soap concentrate or Norwex dish soap. And remember, do not wash these with abrasive products like a really scrubby sponge or something like that. And you never want to use it directly over a flame or in the oven. Avoid using them to cover pots that are boiling on the stove or really hot boiling liquids. And be cautious with highly acidic foods like tomato based pasta sauce and things like that. So here's a fun fact about silicone. Silicone doesn't react with food, liquids, or most chemicals. It doesn't off-gas hazardous fumes, and it's safe for food storage, which is great. So it's time we break up with wasteful plastic wraps and embrace our silicone stretchy lids. They're the perfect way to save all your leftovers, save your budget, and save the planet. So you can get yours today in the link below. They're brand new, and I'm so excited to share them with you guys. Bye, guys.